go through the train. Pardon me.
Not in the length of time you got.
That lady in Wales Club, it was
That was one of the best positions we found.
Excuse me, little man. Thank you, man. Whoa, that's kind of sketchy, huh? Pardon me, sir. Whoa! This must be the concessions, huh?
I think that's it.
I think I'll survive. No thanks. Pardon me again. Whoa, that's kind of sketchy. This is really different.
Oopsie.
Oh, that's a bathroom. Oh, I'm going this way. Sorry.
But we were doing that like almost every year going.
We did it probably 2 or 3 times.
Oh, interesting. And we're back. Wow, that was a heck of a little hike.